how to delete a Facebook group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a Facebook group within the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, select the menu button in the top left of the app to open up the menu. And then where you see your shortcuts right here, and then it says maybe friends, things like that, look for see more, select see more, and then scroll down until you see groups and select groups. You'll then see some suggested groups. Go ahead and select the person icon in the top right of the app. And then in here, select memberships, and then simply find the group that you want to delete. So you have two options. You can either leave a group, or if it's a group that you own, that you created, then you can permanently delete it. So find that group, select it. Then once the group is open, select this little shield icon in the top right. This will open up the Manage Group section where all we need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Delete Group, and then just select Delete Group. And now that group has been deleted on Facebook. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.